who took their time to come and be with me today. It is a show of solidarity, Your Excellency, and I can assure you, all the people who are behind me will always support your leadership, Your Excellency. Not only the people I have worked with, but also my supporters, my family, and everyone who believes in my leadership. That is an assurance that I give you. All the people who are walking behind me will also walk behind you as I walk behind Your Excellency. I want to take this opportunity, Your Excellency, to say that as your principal assistant, I commit to work with you hand in hand as we focus on building Meru together. Our leadership will be participatory and consultative together with the County Assembly, who make a very huge part of this leadership, Your Excellency, and I would want to applaud the leadership of the County Assembly with a lot of humility for the work that they have done for this county and for the support that they have vowed to give us, Your Excellency. We will reject the politics of division and intolerance, and instead, Your Excellency, we will embrace collegiality and respect for the rule of law as the foundation of our governance. Our administration will be a sanctuary for all Marians, either young, old, the youth, the urban, and the rural, united by a common purpose to build a county where opportunity is not a privilege to the few, but the birthright to all of the people in Meru County. The youth and women, therefore, Your Excellency, will not only be beneficiaries of development, but I will want to work hand in hand with the youth and the women to ensure that they are also architects of this leadership and governance and the future of this great county. My sole intention, Your Excellency, working behind you, is to mainstream gender and youth empowerment in every policy, every program, and every project that we undertake. I promise to elevate your voice and the voice of the people of this great county and honor your indispensable role in our journey, Your Excellency, in the development of this great county. Our commitment to equitable distribution of resources will ensure that no community is left behind. And I want to promise the members of the County Assembly, as I had said before, that I will ensure my office will always be open. I will always be ready to assist you in whatever engagements and agendas that you may have, insofar as they do not conflict with His Excellency's agenda and manifesto. Tutafanya kazi pamoja, tukiweza kuongozwa na His Excellency, our Governor. Your Excellency, I need not say too much. One thing that is very clear, and what I have heard from the leaders who have come before me, is that, Your Excellency, my work is very simple. Just to follow you, just to support you, Your Excellency, and support in the work that you shall do in your agendas and your manifestos. And Your Excellency, I want to promise you before all these people that you will not have a sleepless night because of my leadership. In the spirit of visionary leadership, Your Excellency, I will use all machinery and any contacts that I have to vigorously lobby the national government, all development partners, stakeholders, and any other persons or groups of people to secure the resources that we shall need to make this county work. I will ensure, Your Excellency, that you shall see my input and my hard work to implement high-impact projects that will generate sustainable socio-economic growth and enhance our county's visibility and bring dignity to our people. I therefore pledge, Your Excellency, fidelity to the Constitution of Kenya, the supreme law that binds us all, and to the ideals of transparency, accountability, and excellence in public service. Together, we will steer Meru towards a future where every child has access to early childhood education and quality education, every family enjoys reliable health care, every community benefits from modern infrastructure and utilities. This is my solemn vow, Your Excellency, to serve with integrity and lead with compassion and to govern with wisdom. I pledge my allegiance to the people of this great county and to the Constitution that guides us. And finally, therefore, Your Excellency, allow me to say that today we have made history and are mostly humbled, Your Excellency, to serve these great people of this great county. Thank you, and may God bless you as we continue to lead this county. Asanteni sana.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, our Honorable Deputy Governor, Honorable Linda Kiome. Nani? Governor ni nani? Governor ni nani? Governor ni nani? Governor ni baba, si ndio? Wababa mpo? Wababa mpo? Wababa siwasikii?
Yes.
Aya, DJ.
Thank you so much. And now that we've given the instruments of power in the office of the Deputy Governor, it is my singular duty, with a lot of humility, to now welcome His Excellency, the Governor of Meru County, Reverend Isaac Motuman Toebingia, to address these great people.
Umago sharona korerwa oninde momero edeni boyonge meru ndeya eria na mancho sharona korerwa oninde momero edeni boyonge.
Haya, wasanii wetu wako hapo na wamama wetu.
Alimi toka undekara.
Makofi.
Yo.
Twende hapa kama.
Yoro keta kerato mekamboka Kenya ntarasionda ene Meru tigambuera nende yeri yana naincho na ende kambuere ngatia ngamama ngokera ntemo Meru ganchoka kumama kaere kerato mekamboka Kenya ntarasionda ene Meru tigambuera nende yeri yana naincho na ende kambuere ngatia ngamama ngokera ntemo Meru ganchoka kumama kaere
Umago sharona korerwa oninde momero edeni boyonge meru ndeya eria na nancho sharona korerwa oninde momero edeni boyonge meru ndeya eria na nancho
Wapi mako?
Na tudali.
Twende hivi. Cheza muziki Governor. Twende.
Amero beto nento vendete vere atongelia beto kinya wibo goshonera korona ekoro kinya anto babede para yana mogambo
Nebo ya tokare ninde kinya ninke akolo anga oke rante momero no kama marenge. Asante. Rwimbo rwiro thongi. Ate nkaolo ngauke rante mo Meru. Na ganchoka ko mama kaire no nto kwethera twe mo Meru ne mutorire kwethera twe a Meru ne ketharimo. Asante. Our leaders present, viongozi wote, Her Excellency, my newly sworn in Deputy Governor of Meru, Wakili Linda Kiome. Nasikia watu wakisema Mutuma Linda, nikasikia mwingine ameongeza Mutuma Linda Meru. Watu wakaitikia wakisema tujenge pamoja. Mutuma Linda Meru. Mutuma Linda Meru. Asante viongozi wote, my former colleagues, deputy governors, the chair Meru County Parliamentary Caucus, Mheshimiwa Ridekeri, and other members of parliament in absentia. The Meru County Assembly, led by our own brother and a great leader, Mheshimiwa Ayubu Solomon Budi, viongozi wote, clergy, the county commissioner and the security team, korona kuruba Meru baraba tumete kitharimo kiki ithira kirea ntuko ya narua. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asante. Before I give my speech, I first want to congratulate my deputy governor. Come, I congratulate you before these men and women and before the estate, before the camera, and wish you all the best and God's blessings, that the tears that the deputy governors cried in this land will never be repeated again in Meru, in Jesus' name. I wish you well, my deputy governor. I also want to call upon my dear wife and the first lady to come and wave at this crowd. Mama Make, come and wave at the crowd. I go. No, Moringerairo, wave. Asante. Regayante to nyingi. Asante. Now, mbetekeria ine ndendo me my official speech. Ndo me my official speech, and then twarie manto yaire ya dhatu tuite turume ganto kara Wakili Linda atobwetheretie no ntobwago Kongo ira kitharimo kia ntuko enarua. Asante. Asante. Honorable guests, I've already acknowledged the protocols. Ladies and